If you've got a little too much moving and shaking going on, it's time to get your muscles moving with SlenderTone.
SlenderTone's electrical muscle stimulation technology sends deep yet comfortable pulses, causing your muscles to really flex.
In the morning, I can wear the belt while I'm getting ready for work, and I'm out the door, and the convenience is awesome.
In fact, just one 20-minute session with SlenderTone delivers 120 muscle toning contractions.
In a clinical trial, 100% of users reported their abs were stronger, firmer, and more toned in just 6 weeks after using SlenderTone. Go to SlenderTone.com now to get a special discount-free gift and free shipping for a total of $60 in instant savings. We'll even include our exercise and nutrition guide.
And our exclusive SlenderTone guarantee. If you don't see tighter abs in just 6 weeks, we'll give you a complete refund, no questions asked.
This is honestly the future of fitness. It's perfect for people with busy lifestyles and schedules just like myself.
Visit SlenderTone.com now.